Okay, so let's open this Amazon pack. So this is FUUMUUI Professional Series. I think I am taking its name correctly. So this is the Professional Series Premium Art Brushes from FUUMUUI. Okay, so it comes in this packing. It has, I think, 10 brushes. Before moving forward, this is a disclaimer that this is not a paid review. So I found these brushes on Amazon, and there is a Amazon Day deals happening at the moment. So I got a good deal, I think for 28 Aussie dollars. So that is why I bought them. And I just wanted to share the experience with you guys, and just to show you that how these brushes looks alike if you want to place the order for the same one. Okay, so we can review them. I have already taken them out from the plastic sleeve and also their plastic protection. So this is the flat brush, 4-inch, for number 4, and it is quite good. The next one is the cat's tongue, 3 by 4 inches. It is also quite a nice brush, and the tip is very nice. I haven't used it, but I will definitely use and give you the reviews in the next video. The next brush is 1/2 inch flat brush. The next one is round brush number 14. This is round brush number 12. This is round brush number 8. So this is the brush which is mostly used in A5 number page size, which I can just give you the example that if you see. So this is the page where mostly if I have a bigger strokes, so then I can use this round brush number 8. This is Dagger, 3 by 8 inches. And you can see the tip of these brushes. So this is amazing. I'm excited to use them and looking forward for their results. This is number 4, round brush. This is number 2, round brush. And this one is detailed brush number 1. Okay, so for mostly A5 watercolor page, I use number 8, where I have the big area to cover. Then number 4, where I have to use the small, not the small, but the medium details. And then the dagger brush, which is number 1, the detail brush number 1, where I need to make some details. And also number 2 is also quite handy, where you have to, for example, make the medium to small details. So these are the 4 brushes which I usually use for my A5 size watercolor paintings. I haven't used these brushes. This was just the review, open box review. And in my next video, I will use them for my urban sketching and then give you the real-time review and the experience sharing of these brushes. And again, this is not a paid review, so be aware of it. So I'm not promoting this brand. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video on the next Saturday. Until then, bye bye.